welcome to day one of our arm and belly fat focus challenge, and we are going to be beginning with the arms today. Just continue marching in sport with me so that we warm up our bodies, preparing the heart, the muscles for this workout. If you're new, please be sure to subscribe and hit that bell button so that you receive notifications every time I upload a new video. If you're returning, I'm very happy to be having you. Our goal is to do 3 minutes of one exercise that will be targeting the arms and the belly area. And we are going to begin just about now. Just get into position. I'm going to be using my timer over here and we shall begin straight away. I hope you are feeling warmed up already. So just stand straight, pull your abs towards the spine and begin giving me arm wipes. We are working on those arms. Keep breathing. Pull your abs towards the spine so that we keep them engaged the entire time. Keep going. And tomorrow we shall do an exercise targeting the belly area. So I hope you have invited friends to come over and join us in this challenge. I hope you feel your arms working over there. Target is to get them toned and strong. And there goes our alarm, and we shall just rest about 15 to 30 seconds, whichever works great for you. Just catch your breath. Feel free to grab some water. We are remaining with 2 minutes, so breathe in, breathe out, and we are going to be beginning the next minute just about now. So I will start that timer again, get into position and begin those arm wipes up and down as fast as you can. I feel my arms are on fire right now already. I don't know how you guys are feeling, but just continue going, breathing in, breathing out, pulling your abs towards the spine. Don't give up, don't give in. Remember, this is a challenge, so we got to do this. Keep going. Up and down, up and down. Looks quite easy, but guys, trust me, my arms are burning just about now. And just keep going for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And there goes our alarm again. So we are resting it out, guys. 15 to 30 seconds, whatever is comfortable for you as desired. Keep breathing in and out, catch your breath, relax those muscles, and we have just 1 more minute to go, guys. So prepare it in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and I will start that timer again and we shall begin again. Wiping up and down. Keep going, guys. It's a challenge. Remember, my arms are on fire right now, I tell you guys, but don't give up, don't give in. Don't slow down, don't stop. I know it feels like giving up right now, guys, but keep going. Just a few more seconds to go. And keep going for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There goes the alarm, guys. And we've come to the end of today's challenge, guys, but we have to stretch out those muscles, beginning with the right arm. Just give me that arm stretch. You can give me some wrist rotations while at it. 30 seconds of stretching to relax those muscles, to cool down and bring down our heart rate as well. So just continue stretching it out, feeling that gentle stretch in your arms. Keep going for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the other arm. Going for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And you want to breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. One more time. Breathe in and breathe out. A high five if you've made it this far. Thank you very much for joining me. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and leave me a comment if you have any questions or something to tell me. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and families on social media. Invite them to come on over and join us in this arm and belly fat focus challenge. Don't forget to connect up with me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest, because I do share lots of wellness and useful tips over there too. It means a lot to me when you get to join my growing family on here. So don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button so that you receive notifications every time I upload a new video. Don't forget to check out my other videos as well. See you in tomorrow's video, and don't forget to love yourself first and keep fit for health. Bye bye.